If you are someone who always thinks they have nothing to wear, then you, my friend, have come to the right place.
Just another night, I was feeling fine. Insane playing bye bye bye. Then we finally kissed, I was like, oh shit.
Hi you all, I'm Ishita and welcome back to my channel. Since I also fall under the same category, I thought why not go through my wardrobe and come up with not 5, not 10 but 20 outfit ideas for all of us when we think we have nothing to wear. So keep on watching, but don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button because one, guys, it's absolutely free, and two, काफी मेहनत लगती है इनको बनाने में. Also only 19%, I don't know why, but only 19% of you who watch my video end up subscribing. So please do hit that subscribe button now. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first outfit obviously had to be the classic jeans and t-shirt. But it's always good to switch up your blue denim with black denim. This black and white combo definitely looks very classy, and I've paired it up with a pair of white sneakers and a golden chain to add that little bling to it. To dress this up a little bit, you can add heels and switch the white tee with a white satin strappy top. Moving on, if your go-to habit is to pick out your favorite blue jeans, then my suggestion is to add a pop of color to it. I'm wearing these floral flats, but you can change the footwear as per the occasion, and obviously don't forget a belt. In case you're not comfortable showing off your waist with a crop top, you can always wear a high-waisted pair of pants. I have paired these with printed block heels, and these black pants actually are super versatile and can be worn with several outfits. You can also wear it with a shirt and black pointed flats like these ones. Or even pair it with a printed strappy top. That is how versatile these black pants are. And oh, say hello to Elvis. I also added my favorite golden hoops to this outfit. Moving on, pleated skirts are great and they look so pretty. You can basically pair these with any fitted top to sort of balance out the silhouette. I'm wearing this off-shouldered crop top, which by the way can also be paired with a lot of things, just like these dungarees. Now I almost always see people wearing dungarees with t-shirts, but trust me, wearing it over off-shoulder crop tops looks super cute. And obviously a pair of chunky sneakers definitely adds to that vibe. Next up is some camo print. Now I've never been a fan of the camo print, but very recently I've actually started thinking it looks pretty cool. And if you have this, it's definitely a no-brainer to just pair it with a black tee and sneakers. Now LBD's little black dresses are a must-have piece of clothing, but you've got to make most of these. Whenever you're in doubt about what to wear, you can definitely play around with your black dress. I have paired this with boots and a denim jacket, which by the way looks really chic. I'm obviously going to link down as many products that I can in the description box, along with some substitutes as well, just in case something's out of stock. So like I said, make most of your dresses, so you can actually wear these as tops as well. And I love doing that, especially with skater skirts, because you can't really notice all the dress material underneath while tucking it in. You can even do this with jeans, but you've got to make sure the dress is of a thinner material. Now denim skirts are also another really versatile piece of clothing. You can pair them with shirts, spaghettis, t-shirts, and they look really cool with graphic tees too. I've put on sneakers here, but you can go with any other footwear style as well. There are endless possibilities. Now if you have one or two graphic tees, you can mix and match them with different bottom wear. I switched the denim skirt with a white pair of denim shorts here, which again is a great wardrobe staple. Also, if you guys didn't notice, most of these outfits have been put together using wardrobe staples and basics, which are basically what you need to put together endless outfits for yourself. Now I went ahead and switched the graphic tee with a spaghetti and a shirt to layer it for another outfit look. Next up, a pair of striped pants look great even if you pair them with just a solid colored top. To add a little bit of print, I paired these with my animal print heels. These are from Zara. But yeah, this color combination is super chic and so fall season. Speaking of fall, the next outfit is perfect for it too. I just switched the striped pants with checked ones. We are now on outfit number 17 and I had to bring in the distressed jeans here. I'll probably do a separate video on the must-have jeans, but for now, pairing these with cute floral tops is a great outfit choice. Or you could just stick to the classic black top and blue jeans. This top also has some button detailing on it. Moving on, maxi dresses are also super versatile. You can wear them in different ways. With heels, with sneakers, with jackets, or just throw on a shirt like this. And last but not the least, wear it like a midi skirt. Now, I'm definitely not the best person to show you how to do this knot thingy to your t-shirts, but you'll find several videos on YouTube for this, so I don't need to worry about it. But yeah, you can also wear your maxi dress like a midi skirt. Enjoyed that video, and I do hope you will pick out outfit ideas for yourself from this video. I did try and put together outfits that were pretty wearable by everyone. Before I say goodbye, do hit that like, share and subscribe button. Also comment down below with your favorite outfit from this entire video. I'm gonna sign off now, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I really also hope that you will hit that subscribe button after watching this video. You can go watch other content of mine from my channel. Just tap my channel name down below. I'm gonna sign off now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Just another night, I was feeling fine. NSYNC playing bye bye bye. Then we finally kissed, I was like, oh shit, shit.